Okay, so at this point, I'm recording, and we are going to create folders that will reflect those other folders with iManage. So the first thing we're going to do is I always suggest a new folder. And so basically, so compliance emails, right? And I'm gonna click on OK. The first thing it's gonna ask me is if do you want to link compliance emails to an iManage folder. I said no, because I really don't want to file anything there. I want to file anything that we were going to file directly to the 2019 folder, correct? Or 2018 and so on and so forth. Am I correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so we can do it this way. We can go click on, click on no. And so I have compliance emails. So I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it 2019. Okay. I'm going to hit enter. Now it's going to ask me, do you want to link this to an iManage folder? I'm going to click on yes. It's going to bring up the dialog box. It's going to bring me to here. I'm going to click on the little 3 button here to direct me to where I need to go. And we all know that the compliance email box is in the @am under compliance folder. I'm going to sort this out of, and then the compliance, and then email archives. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Compliance emails. I apologize. And it is and I am at @am, and I have to go to compliance. Administration, and we're going to go to email archives, correct?
Yes.
And then we're going to go to compliance emails, emails to process, and I'm going to click on 2019. And I know that was a long process, but just bear with me here. I'm going to click on select, and now it's going to process everything there. So obviously we want to take this off because we want it to go straight there, right? We don't want to keep the copy of it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to click on OK. So now that worksite folder, now it says, you notice that the folder now says worksite on it. That is now linked to the 2019 worksite that we have right here on the left. Okay, so now I'm going to do a 2018. I'm a new folder called 2018, and you guys notice that I'm putting it under the compliance emails. And so do I want to link that? It says I want to link that again. So it's going to go through the same dialog box. I'm going to click on this again, but look, it actually remembers the last location I was in. So I don't have to follow it through. I'm going to select. So now it's going to go to 2018. And so now I have these 2 folders that, for example, for you get something in your inbox that you want to file, let's just do this now, and I can just drag it over here. I'll drag this over here, 2019. So now when it files, this will disappear here and it will go to 2019 folder.
Perfect, perfect.
Does that make sense? Does that answer your question on how to archive these folders? Or see, it's already gone. Actually, you'll get processed pretty quickly. So that normally doesn't happen because it goes on a 15-minute basis. And so as you can see, the email is now processed in 2019.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, perfect. Well, that's easy to replicate. So thank you.
So that's easy to replicate, and I will